Hey guys, happy holidays. We're gonna make some vegan cookies. These are one of my favorite cookies. I'm not a big sweets fan, so these are really spicy and flavorful and not overly sweet. So first thing you're gonna do, combine all the dry ingredients, all the spices and flour, and start a mix. Next you're gonna cream the brown sugar, the margarine, and the molasses all together until it's nice and fluffy. Then you're going to add your egg replacer and vanilla and stir that up, and then start to add your dry ingredients slowly so it doesn't give you a big puff of flour across the kitchen. And you're going to stir until it starts to become kind of like a sand. You don't want it all to be in one big glob, you want it to be falling apart. And about here is where the texture you want it to be. Then you're going to form your balls. You want them about 1 inch in size, and put them on some greased baking sheets. Once all your balls are rolled out, you're going to bake them in a 350-degree oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until they start to crack. Once they're done cooking, you're going to place them on a cooling rack, let them cool completely, and then you're going to dust them with powdered sugar. Hope everyone has a happy holiday, and hopefully get some good cookies.